seacrabstickyrice, a meaningful gift for the ancestor's anniversary. In Vietnamese culture, the death anniversary is an important occasion, an opportunity for families to honor and remember their ancestors. This is not only a traditional ceremony, but also an opportunity for people to create meaningful moments of cultural identity and family solidarity. In this day's meal, an indispensable dish with rich traditional meaning is seacrabstickyrice, a special dish, contributing to making the atmosphere of the death anniversary warm and solemn. Seacrabstickyrice is not only a delicious dish, but also a symbol of luck and prosperity. With the unique, salty flavor of crab meat combined with delicious, soft sticky rice grains, seacrabstickyrice not only brings a feeling of fullness but also reminds of the difficult business process and the ancestors' efforts to build a family. Below is a simple and delicious way to make mud crab sticky rice to serve your family's death anniversary meal.
Ingredients to prepare: 900 grams of mud crabs is about 2 pieces. Wash thoroughly and dry. 2 cups of sticky rice. 1/2 iceberg cabbage. 2 cucumbers. 1 red bell pepper. Wash everything. Peel it. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. 5 cloves of garlic. Partly chopped red onion. Partly sliced. Finely chopped green onions and coriander. Olive oil. Fish sauce. Black pepper. Pink salt. Brown sugar and other spices according to ancestral taste. Steam the mud crab for about 15 to 20 minutes until the crab meat is cooked, then chop finely. Wash the sticky rice and soak it in water for about 30 minutes. Put the sticky rice in the rice cooker. Add a little water to cook the sticky rice.
Heat cooking oil in a pan, then stir-fry sliced garlic and purple onions until fragrant, take out to mix with sticky rice. Continue to add minced garlic and shallots and sauté until fragrant. Pour the mud crab meat into the pan and stir well with the garlic and onions. Add fish sauce, sugar, salt, pepper and ancestral spices to absorb the flavor of the mud crab meat. Then add finely chopped green onions and coriander and mix well. Continue to add 1 portion of cooked sticky rice and mix well with crab meat to make raspberry sauce. Put the remaining sticky rice into the pan to create raspberries. Continue adding that on top and press firmly. Boil over low heat until the sticky rice is golden brown, then place the raspberries on a plate. Congratulations on completing the mud crab sticky rice dish.
Enjoy. Serve on a plate. Decorate the crab shell and crab claws on the dish to create a highlight and add flavor. Mud crab sticky rice is often eaten with mixed vegetables in black sesame sauce. With its deep meaning and family bonding spirit, seacrabstickyrice is not only a dish but also a symbol of preciousness and gratitude. On the anniversary of the ancestor's death, each piece of mud crab sticky rice is not only food for the body but also a word of gratitude, a sign of respect and honor for the ancestors. Let's sit together at the dining table, enjoy great flavors and create memorable memories. Wishing your family a solemn and warm anniversary together.